All right. Welcome to Frank's Crypto Corner, where we bring you all kinds of news and information about cryptocurrency, mining the coin, staking the coin, using that credit card for BlockFi credit card to get rewards back in Bitcoin. Great opportunity if you don't want to buy Bitcoin or you're new. You could just get the credit card, use your credit card from BlockFi, and then you get your rewards back in Bitcoin. Nice way to accumulate Bitcoin just for buying your gas and your Chipotles and all kinds of good stuff. Well, today we're going to be talking about Strong cryptocurrency. Yep, this cryptocurrency is up right this second. We're going to do a little price prediction of this cryptocurrency. Go to the website, go to the Twitter. Also, this is going to be a project we're going to be doing. I said the other day that we're going to be bringing some passive income opportunities to the channel. This is one of the passive income opportunities to the channel we're going to be talking about. We're going to set up ourselves on the weekend, and then we'll give you like every 5 to 10 days, we'll give you updates and stuff. So with that, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Our goal on this channel is to help everybody learn about cryptocurrency, understand cryptocurrency, and yes, one day, even own some cryptocurrency. By watching this channel, you're going to hear about projects, you're going to hear about Crypto.com, you're going to hear about Tom Brady, you're going to hear all kinds of stuff with crypto. They've been saying that this project could be a good entry level for people if they're thinking about getting into something without mining and stuff. I don't know. Let's see what it says. All right, let's head over to Strong Token. Oh yeah, one other thing too. The other thing we're talking about is if you want to move to Arkansas, Southwest Arkansas, you're going to get paid $10,000 in Bitcoin and a bike. You can get a bike and $10,000 in Bitcoin to move to Arkansas. All kinds of opportunities and jobs, things going on there. I like the fact that they're going to pay you in Bitcoin to go there. We're going to talk about that too. All right, let's head over to the Strong cryptocurrency. All right, over here, CoinMarketCap, Strong, STRONG is the actual code, number 436 on the CoinMarketCap. This token is being traded at $684. It's up 9%, almost 10% in the last 7 days. It's up 2.84% in the last 24 hours. Clicking it. Over here to the right, again, up about 2.86%. We'll do a price prediction a little bit later. So taking a look here in the last 24 hours, it looks like it's picking up. Let's look at the last 7 days. Oh, last 7 days, it was down here at 588, 583, 571, 588, and it's now at 684. So it's added $100 on top of it. Things are going up. Let's check the holders. I don't even know if there's a lot of holders or a little bit of holders. Let's check it. Holders, 3 months. All right, 3 months ago, we had about 9,600 holders. Today, 90 days later, we got 23,000 holders. So it's actually doubled. 9 and 9 is 18, plus 5 is doubled and almost a half, double 0.3. So that's a good sign, over doubling your people holding the coin in just the last 90 days. All right, over here at the Twitter account, StrongBlock.io, 238,000 nodes strong. Imagine 50,000 protocols, 1 million nodes. Join the node army. This could be a passive income opportunity. A lot of people are liking this project. All right, let's do a little deep dive and see what we can find out here. All right, they just passed over 235,000 nodes. Taking a look right here. StrongBlock community. All right, so 235,000 nodes on the network there. Pretty good. Hey, Node Army, it's official. Polygon nodes are now available for everyone. Click the link to get your node today. The live AMA with StrongBlock.io. Right here, taking a look at this. This is on January 14th, $200 in prizes, StrongBlock. I thought this was good. The weekly Strong Gold and Silver NFT lottery winners have been announced. Taking a look at this. There's a lot of stuff going on in StrongBlock here.
StrongBlock is now presenting weekly Wednesday lottery drawings for our gold NFTs. Good luck! Thank you to the StrongBlock community.
All right, we got a little news there. I thought this was important here on their Twitter account. They're talking about scammers. Hey, Strong community, be aware of this scam. It says this fake website is pretending to be official Strong website and even running a Google ad to lure people in. That's terrible. They're actually running a Google ad to lure them in. Do not click on it. So take a look right here. StrongBlock Node setup. This is a scam. So definitely, I mean, go to their Twitter account, read a little bit more on it. But just letting you know that even on their own Twitter account, there's somebody trying to scam, and they're running Google ads. So be careful if you're setting up a node. I thought this was pretty neat too. The top 10 coins. So take a look here. You notice Strong is over here, right here to the right here. So Strong's on here. You got a hamster. You got a few people that you actually, Baby Dogecoin, Ranger Protocol. Most importantly, Strong is actually one of the top coins by Luna Crush Galaxy Score. That's on January 6th. All right, over here at the website here, it says easily create blockchain nodes, earn rewards, join the 238,000 nodes being rewarded. Create your node today. I'm not going to click that right this second. Just kind of doing a deep coverage of everything. It says confirm transaction with your wallet. Make a node, make a difference. And that's their slogan. Make a node, make a difference. If you want to be part of the blockchain revolution, but it's hard and confusing, StrongBlock makes it easy by doing it all the hard work for you. Using our nodes as a service app, you can launch a blockchain node in seconds and get rewards. Right here, they're talking about their NFTs are sold out. StrongBlock Nifty FI, sold out. Bronze, silver, and gold, platinum NFTs boost rewards. Here's their partners, and again, they got a strong Bitcoin.com, Phantom, Polygon, Central, DAO Maker. I mean, just to name a few. Our leadership, David Moss, CEO, Brian Amerson, CTO, and Corey is the CPO. All right, so far, this actually sounds pretty good. A lot of good things going on with StrongBlock, the cryptocurrency. We'll do a price prediction when we get back here. What about moving to Arkansas and getting $10,000 in Bitcoin and a bicycle? What do you think about that? Let's check this out. It says right here, get $10,000 in Bitcoin and a free bike to move to Northwest Arkansas. Look at, you can get to $10,000. Again, a couple would be $20,000. The Northwest Arkansas Council wants to give people $10,000 in Bitcoin to move to Northwest and work in the tech fields. Why it matters. NWA will need to fill an estimated 7,500 jobs in the tech in the next 10 years. That's a lot of jobs, everybody, 7,500. Many of those jobs can be filled with people trained here in the region. Companies still have to hire from outside NWA to meet the demands. Read more on reporting. What's happening? The Northwest Arkansas Council is offering newcomers $10,000 in Bitcoin and either a bicycle or a free membership to Crystal Bridges, Walton Arts Center, Theater Squad, or the Monetary. I don't know. I take the 10,000 and I have to check all those out to see which one I like the best. The council has partnered with Blockchain Centers of Excellence at the University of Arkansas to provide a technical expertise. Between the lines, with more people working from home and changing jobs during the pandemic, incentives like these have a potential to scoop up remote tech workers from other cities. If you're a tech worker, if you're good at what you do, and you're looking for a quick $10,000 in Bitcoin, and you don't mind checking out Arkansas, you may want to check this out. It says the latest installments of the council's life work here, which launched in 2020, accepts about 50 people in the first year. And they received about 32,000 applications. So move to Northwest Arkansas. I mean, so again, if you're trying to figure out cryptocurrency, you can actually acquire $10,000 by a move if you're good at this field. All right. So $10,000, move to Arkansas. Let's head back over to Strong Token, do a little price prediction. We are going to be doing this project ourselves. So this is just a little skimming of the surface, everybody. We're skimming the surface. We'll come back next week when we have our nodes set up. I'll show people. I'll do 1 week where we're at. I'll do a month where we're at. We'll go over everything. I'm not getting paid to do this. I'm actually doing this on my own, one of my own projects. Remember, I like to mine cryptocurrency. I like to talk about cryptocurrency. I like to buy cryptocurrency. I think this is going to be a nice project. Let's head over to a price prediction. Again, over here at the website, I want to show you NFT sales. So powerful collectibles, not just pretty trinkets. There are 5,100, 5,189 bronze, silver, and gold platinum NFTs that are enhanced rewards and provide early access. So right here, these are sold out. But notice, this one's like 3.5 Ethereum and 35 strongs. This one over here is 1.5 Ethereum and 7.5 strong token. This one is 8 Ethereum and 80 strong. So again, if you're into NFTs, it looks like they got some pretty good NFTs. Metal NFTs lottery. What does this say? 20 silver NFTs and 10 gold NFTs were reserved for a limited series of lotteries. Each lottery winner will be able to purchase one NFT at a discount. Lottery periods will have commenced for silver and gold, not be a platinum lottery. All right, so they even got lotteries for you to win stuff. All right, back over here at CoinMarketCap. Looking at this token, 681. I just wanted to show you the last 3 months ago. I already know the answer to this. This token was at $1,100 and $1,200. $1,200, $1,100, I mean $900, so it was really, really high. I know to do the project, you have to buy 10 strong. So every time somebody wants to set up an actual node, they have to buy 10 strong. So they're buying 10 of these for $681. So there's a lot of people purchasing these nodes. You saw 235,000 nodes are already in purchase, are in place, I should say. What happens when there's 500,000 nodes? Do you think that price is going to go back up? Since it was already at $1,100 or $1,200 just under 3 months ago, my price prediction is this coin can go to $750 to $800 in the next 3 months. Again, all of my information is for educational purposes only, not a financial planner. We're doing this for fun, just to kind of learn about cryptocurrency, educational only. And right here again, strong 442. I just want to show you this one right here, right above it at 440, Spirit Swap. Take a look at Spirit Swaps, 31 cents. It's up 51% in the last 7 days. Because of the strong, and we're here, you may never be at 440. So I don't know if you guys actually do that. Go on CoinMarket and look at the different coins, what's up and down. But Spirit Swap is up 51%. All right, so this is going to be a pretty good project. We're going to dig into it. Little price prediction. A lot of good stuff going on with this. Every time somebody sets up a node, they actually have to get 10 strong. So 10 strong, and there's actually people setting up 2 or 3 nodes. So again, there's a lot of people purchasing these tokens. So factor that in when you're looking at either buying the coin or if you're going to actually set up a node for yourself. All right, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on any up-and-coming videos. Or go on the channels to help everybody. Click right here to see our most recent video. Hey, everybody, we'll see you a little bit later on today.